multi-function screen and back cover separator, right side metal power switch, high-end LCD display, 4-gear quick memory temperature, maximum temperature setting up to 150 Celsius, one-touch switching for rapid adjustments. Multi-gear fixture design, adapts to phones of all sizes, instant screen clamping. Install independent frame removal suction cup, connect air hose, adjust suction cup position, activate vacuum force, securely holds the screen, rotate micrometer for frame removal. Work table supports left or right tilting, 360 degrees free rotation. World's first dual-axis tilt with electronic braking. One-touch auto lock eliminates complex operations. When using frame removal solution or alcohol, liquids flow downward along the slope, rapidly dissolves frame and back adhesives, significantly improves frame removal efficiency. Frame removal completed. Remove independent frame removal suction cup. Perfectly efficient. Next, frame separation demo. Clamp screen with both side fixtures. Perform separation using steel wire. Platform height, only 10 centimeters. Ergonomic design reduces fatigue. Separation completed. Remove fixtures from both sides. Built-in silicone sealing ring on platform. Place screen directly on work table, automatically secured by vacuum. No additional silicone pad required. Built-in silent dual pumps, operational noise about 45 decibels. Flat screen single layer separation demo. Separation completed. Heat-resistant silicone strip on platform side. During operation, even without wearing gloves, rotate the platform directly by hand. No risk of burns. High-power silent vacuum pump. Stable, powerful suction. Shut-off pump to instantly exhaust and release vacuum. Prevents oversuction of cover plate. Lucky Bird multi-function separator.